There is a way to download songs with Chrome using phone. First, open the Chrome app on your phone or tablet. In the search bar, type Pixabay. Click on the first website that shows up. Pixabay offers a large collection of free songs that you can use in your videos, projects, or just for listening. All the music is royalty-free. Now swipe left on the website and hit on the music section. Or hit the 3 lines and select music. You will see a list of songs. Pick the one you like and press the download icon. If you're looking for a specific song, just type its name in the search bar. You can check the music to hit the play icon. When confirm, hit download button. When download complete, press open to see downloaded song. Now go to your Files app. In Download section, you will see your song is downloaded. And that's it. Enjoy listening to your music.